Tutukan yung mga tira na very accurate three-point shooting, especially with the two of Kirby Raimundo. Idagdag mo pa ang swak na swak ni tira ni Roger Yap, who now has 5 points and they're up by 4.
Nasa mga unang bahagi po tayo ng second quarter. Nico Halili kasama si Rado Di Palibos, Dominic Boy, Paulo Trillion, Peaches Abirin. And there's Norman Gonzalez who misses the pull-up. Rebound na naman para kay Adugo. Here's Simon. Spin. And goal!
With the scoring of PJ Simon and the rest of the guys of Pure Foods, kita mo yung na-unburden nawawala masyado ang pressure na umiscore. Itong si James Schaap. At kahit ang depensa ngayon ng Santa Lucia, nalilito dahil hindi na si James Schaap ang focal point ng offense.
Back inside the Big Dome for continuing coverage of Game 3 of the finals. And we'll send you over to Peaches Abirin.
Okay, having spent the whole of his professional basketball career with Pure Foods and now being its team manager, Alden Patrimonia's name has become synonymous to its team. Hindi lang yan, na yata ang biggest cheerleader ng Koponan. Kaya naman sinusubukan niyang tumulong by motivating the players. She told them, you know, even if this game is really crucial, you guys have to enjoy it. The key to winning it is your relationship. You have to trust each other. You have to work together. And if you do that, we can bounce back. Guys?
Ba't ka naman di makikinig kay Alvin Patrimonio? He's the captain, a 4-time PBA MVP, one of the 25 greatest players of the PBA. Dapat mo naman siya di papakinggan.
Aba, pag hindi ka nakinig dyan una, manager siya. Pangalawa, talaga namang halaw sa karanasan higa nga kanyang mga sinasabi sa kanyang mga players. But again, sa huling taas ng Santa Lucia, even if they're down by 4 points, yung kanilang aggressiveness dito ay pangitang-pangita. Although ang Pure Foods dito, as we were mentioning earlier, they're setting down on offense. They're not overburdening itong si James Schaap at si Kirby Raimundo with PJ Simon now tallying big points for them.
Yes, Simon! Firing away! For a PM3!
Nababangit lang natin yung PJ Simon. Now he has 11 points. Aba, first half pa lamang tayo. Malapit na sa kanyang average about 16. This first 2 games ng ating serye.
Credit the assist to James Schaap. Here's Omolon. Omolon, reverse is good. Beautiful drive mula kay Nelbert Bitoy Omolon. He has 4 markers tonight.
Also the reason kung bakit ang taas ng free goal shooting ito si Bitoy Omolon. Either nasa umaatake siya sa loob o tumatapos siya ng fast break. Puro tutukan at piling-pili ang mga tira ni Bitoy.
Iba po ang abante rito ng Pure Foods, 37-32. Here's Salvador and he will score and chalk up another assist para kay James Schaap.
Correctly so. Alam natin si James Schaap is not just a pure scorer. No? Marami pang alam itong si James Schaap. And that includes passing.
30 to shoot para sa Santa Lucia. They're down by 7 points. Espino has the ball way outside against Salvador. 7 to shoot. Bagsak si Jordan and Espino will get the layup.
Si Jordan, napailing na lang. A veteran move, definitely. From the heart na ating binabanggit. Heart and soul of the Santa Lucia squad. Dennis Espino.
Reyes trying to go for the steal. Here's James Schaap. Bodied up by Derek Berada. Here's Roger Yap. Roger Yap inside. He is fouled.
Pero si Roger Yap, pakita mo na even with a taller player and a heftier player on him, that's Bitoy Omolon, hindi niya ininda ito. We're talking about aggressiveness. Ibinigay ni Roger Yap dito sa kanyang atake sa loob at dalawang dito sa kanyang makuha. Although meron nalimita siya sa 2 puntos lamang nung huling laro.
Simons is down and rookie Rob Sands is in the game for the first time.
Both Ryan is smiling with the 2 players leading their scoring, both with 11 points, but both, isa doon, hindi si James Schaap, Kirby Raimundo and PJ Simon. So, alam natin, makukuha pa rin ni James Schaap ang kanyang malalaking numero. So, that's a big plus for the Pure Foods Giants.
That time, minama ni Dennis Espino ito si Jordan Salvador.
2 consecutive times na ginawa nito si Dennis Espino. That's why we were telling Pure Foods kanina doon sa ating watch list, they should have the nose in trying to adjust. They should smell yung adjustment din ng mga Santa Lucia in their attack. During that time, walang tulong na nakuha si Jonathan Salvador. Ako ninamama siya ng gusto ni Dennis. Maraming mga cheese ang kailangan. Ito mga juicy giants, especially in this ball game. Mahirap na, ika nga, maging down 0-3 sa best of 7 series.
One chance over to James Yap. James Yap now content of being a decoy para sa Pure Foods. And Roger Yap goes in for two.
Kita mo naman ang taas ng talon. Ito si Roger Yap. Now with 9 points. Again, another big score for this guy na was limited to only 2 nung nakaraang laro.
Here's Obolon. Obolon outside. Espino fakes. Espino. No traveling violation there. Pasa para kay Kelly Williams. Bago ni Roger Yap. Halos makangalahati na tayo sa second quarter. Roger Yap, 6 seconds down for Roger Yap all the way. No! Rebound para kay Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo tatakbo sa kabilang panig. He will step on the brakes. Joseph Yo on the ball. Joseph Yo with nowhere to go. And get out pass to punta kay Coach Ryan Gregorio.
And why not? Napapataas ng kamay itong si Coach Ryan dahil 4 na players siya ang nandun kagad para sa kanyang transition defense, completely stopping the fast break of Santa Lucia.
Roger Yap sends it over to James Yap against Obolon. James Yap goes behind the back. He spins and misses. And there's a putback by Pervere Mundo.
And that's the aggressiveness we're talking about. Hindi sumusuko itong mga taga-Pure Foods ngayon. Hindi pa kapit ito sa patalim eh. Meron lang silang gustong patunayan. They're the number 1 team when we finish the elimination. Sabi na, hindi kami papatalo sa number 2.
Here's Espino. Espino na lamang ang bola. And Espino crashes to the court. It is a loose ball foul against Ryan Reyes.
That's what Mark Singris can do on defense. You know, even a veteran na si Dennis Espino, kailangan mag-adjust sa athleticism nitong si Mark Singris on top of him.
Over 5 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Lanete. Raimundo. Raimundo on the right side. Lanete nakaabang. Here's James Yap. He fakes. He fires for the runner. No! Paulo Mendoza is in the game for the first time. Bullet pass para kay Yo. And then pinasa kay Kelly Williams. Williams attacks and scores.
At mapapansin mo itong si Kelly Williams ay lagi rin gamit na gamit. But in this game, pinipacing din siya ni Coach Boyet. Alam nila na paghahandain din ni Pure Foods itong si Kelly Williams.
Obolon with the rebound. Here's Yo. Here's steal by Lanete. And out to Obolon. Obolon. Offensive foul against Santa Lucia.
Always ready sa atake ng Santa Lucia itong mga taga-Pure Foods. Twice in a row, yung kanilang transition defense. Talagang parang pader na hindi mabangga-bangga nitong mga taga-Santa Lucia.
7 points ang kabate ng Pure Foods here in the second quarter. Raimundo. Outside. James Yap. 4-3. Yes, sir!
Ang lahat, nakikita natin ang namumuno sa kanilang scoring usually in this game. Pero in this game, nagbibigay muna. Pero dadating at dadating sa kanya mga puntos. Just like with the 3-pointer, suddenly si James Yap may 8 puntos na.
Sa 3-3 yun para kay James Yap. Samantala, tinawagan ng foul si Rob Sands. First personal against the rookie. Ang hirap naman ng kanyang assignment, having to guard Kelly Williams.
Isa sa mga susubukan ni Coach Ryan, si Rob Sands. Kanina si Daro, ngayon si Rob Sands, ayun, may konting bigayan na. Itong si Rob Sands at saka si Kelly Williams.
It's Yap, no go. Rebound for Kelly Williams. Well, moments ago, Paulo Mendoza knocked in a TM3. And that's why Santa Lucia is down by just 7. And Kelly Williams really going strong to the hoop, and he will take 2 free throws.
Pinatikim siya ni Rob Sands kanina, kaya gustong bumawi kagad itong si Kelly Williams. Not retaliating physically, but ito pumunta sa kanyang scoring. Makikita natin itong mga numero. Will to win. Yan ang kanyang mga averages in the first 2 games. Na-face ito si Kelly Williams. Yung kung saan dumadating ang kanyang mga puntos. At dito mukhang yun pa rin ang ginagawa niya.